giving Steve Lacy. I wanted to try on this face mask. I haven't used it in like so long. It's a clay mask. But I feel like today's like the perfect day for like a skin purifying moment because I haven't even been practicing skincare all that much. As you guys probably know, today's graduation day. I'm kind of excited, not gonna lie. I thought I was gonna be nervous as hell, but it's the quite opposite actually. It is approximately 12:01 right now. I should be at the graduation event, like the venue, around 1 o'clock to 1:30 because that's what our like people told us that are in charge of graduation. And bear in mind, graduation isn't starting till like 3 o'clock in the afternoon, so that's gonna be like so a buzzkill and kind of nerve-wracking. Seeing that like there's gonna be so much people there just standing, not really doing stuff. This does not look cute at all. I look like I have like my face got stuffed into a cake or something. It's like a full 360 of my hair right now. I literally just got done like a couple hours ago. Also having kind of a Red Bull moment in a Bud Light cup. How iconic. Delicious. I haven't seen this lip balm in so damn long. It's one of my favorite lip balms. It's literally from at the dollar store, but still one of the best lip balms I own. I wonder if I should do like eye mask. What do you guys think? Since the time is moving so fast anyways, like I think we're gonna do eye mask. Should we? Do our eyes look dilated? Like do they look like we haven't slept in months? I don't know, but I've had this eye mask for so long. Crazy. Guys are all set. Funny story is, I forgot to iron my undershirt. So we're gonna have to do that right now. Moisturizer. Graduation. I'm kind of happy that I'm done with school, guys, but I'm kind of scared. Like, what's gonna fill up my time, like my school time? Like, what's gonna fill that position? Like, you know, like that's the what's the tea? We look like we live in a trailer park right now, so let's wait. What time is it? Oh shit! It's literally 12:56. It's fine, actually. What do you guys think so far? I didn't take like any graduation photos or anything, but hopefully you take some today on my little camera to show my kids that your dad graduated. Ha ha ha! We need to wear like a black tie, so it's good that I already have a black tie. I didn't have to buy one, so that's cool. I miss the school fits and the school fits videos. Like I would do outfit of the day videos, but it's end of an era, guys. I wonder if I'm gonna cry. I'm probably not. I'm not the crying type. Not really. But what if? Guys, imagine if someone starts crying at graduation. I'm dead ass gonna laugh. I'm not even gonna hide it. I'm gonna be like, ah. Like, I don't know if I should. Man. Whatever. Okay. My room is always messy. and then they're gonna come after me.
Look at me both get baptized. You know them people who are at church go so.
Sheldon Harrison. Eligible to receive their diplomas. I ask you now that you move your tassels from right to left. By the power vested in me by the school board of Chesterfield County Public Schools, I now pronounce you graduates of Thomas High School.